Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So, okay, I do the salam like in every start. So, let me tell you all that what is the meaning or what is the purpose that we do the salam to each other, the Muslims do salam. So, actually, um, salam, like Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It is an Arabic sentence. Oh yeah, it is an Arabic sentence, and it means, in simple, you can say that it means that I pray to Allah. Okay, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I pray to Allah in simple, like the meaning of salam is that I pray to Allah that you are fine, you will be fine, or you are good, you are in salamat. Salamat means you are all well. Like in Urdu, we say tum par salamti ho, like hope you will be good, or I pray to Allah that you will be good, good things will happen to you. So just like it is a dua. So when we Muslims, like when we meet each other, we just like share dua that hope Allah will hope Allah will bring good things to you. And in response, they say like, Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So it is actually, and the meaning is same, like, may Allah also give you good things or bring you good things. May good things happen to you. Okay. So yeah, it is just like a sharing of dua on our prayer. So yeah, so we have uh, so yeah, we should start the video. So from where to start? Okay, so yeah, we were practicing the introduction. So let me like practice the introduction first. Okay, so, no, the introduction is only the thing that get me to like makes me nervous and like what to say. So yeah, let's try. Okay, so I'm starting. So yeah, hello, my name is Muhammad Arham, and I am from India. I'm a bachelor's student. Like I'm pursuing bachelor's in computer application. So BCA it is from an online degree from Manipal University, and I'm a maker at heart. I like to explore things. I try different things. Maybe it is in the studies or in the sports or in any field, like not in the haram, not haram things. But yeah, I try to taste different things, how it feels, how to be like, yeah, I want to not be, but do different things. So I don't know it is a distraction or just my, 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 my heart says is to do. So yeah, like currently I'm focusing on computer science, so that's why I'm doing a bachelor's in computer application. So I'm thinking to bring a video of what I was going like about my journey. Okay, so again we have not with that topic. So yeah, introduction. Yeah, where was I? Where was I? Yeah, I'm a bachelor student and I'm a maker at heart. Uh, and and I'm a discipline. I'm disciplined. I don't know I'm disciplined or not. I do hard work. I also don't know I do hard work or not. How can anyone say that he does the work? Maybe someone else should be the judge. Okay. Okay. So let me be the introduction like here only. So yeah, let's start. So this is going to be the second May video. Okay. So yeah, because I took like it it was going to be the third video of May because in between Sunday, I think, not for, so today is only Sunday. Oh yeah. So like Thursday, it was the recording day, like the uploading day, but I didn't do it because I was in the rest day. And you know that in the rest day, I don't do anything, studies and all. So yeah, that's why I didn't record. So this is going to be the second May video. Okay, so let's start. So today is Sunday, 10th of May. Is it 10th of May? Yeah, it is 10th of May. So the courses. Oh my God, I have completed 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5 courses. Yeah, yeah. See, so I was in the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate course. So that contained 9 courses. So I have actually done the seventh. Yeah, seven, eight, nine. Yeah, I've completed till the seven course. Okay. So the first let me clear something, things like, I'm not like preparing for a degree. Okay, or not like putting all the theory lectures and the text and all the materials in my head, dumping in my head. Okay, so I'm not doing that. What I'm doing, I'm familiarizing myself. I'm trying to taste. I'm trying to explore data analytics. So that's why I have like I watched the lectures that I loved and like passed through the ones that I didn't love, and also that I know, like the Python. I know about the language. I have done a little bit studies, so I've just like passed. Okay, from there. So yeah, you can say I have completed the how much 2 2 4 1 5, yeah, 5 courses. Yeah, it was like 5 days also. So that's why I yeah. So for the first course was what was it? Was like ask. Wait, uh, was it ask? Yeah, it was like foundation data and data everywhere. So what was data? Like what is data science? What is data analytics? Analysis, data science. Okay, so yeah, the first course was that which we talked in the earlier video. And the second was what was the second? Yeah, ask questions to make data-driven action, yeah, data-driven decisions. So in the course, the main 5 things that what they focused on was like the first process in the data analytics is ask the right questions to get to the results. Okay, so to get the results or to get the problem what you're solving. Okay, so actually, I remembered the quote from the course only. The quote was from Albert Einstein, and he said that. Am I repeating it? No, no. Okay, let's say it. The quote was that if I were given, like Albert Einstein is saying that if I were given an hour to save this planet or save the planet, then I would spend 59 minutes defining the problem. 59 minutes defining the problem and 1 minute actually resolving it. So defining the problem is the core component, or you can say the main thing. When you don't know what is the problem, who is the problem for, what is the boundary of the problem, why the problem is causing, and then what and how will you solve the problem actually. So yeah, it was the code. Okay. So yeah, the first is the ask, then the first is ask, and then the second thing is the like the prepare. Okay, so yeah, this is the prepared data for exploration uh, course, and this is the second step also in the course. Okay, so mm, so what this course had, it had like how we can prepare the data for the exploration, like structuring the data, uh, and like prepare where the data should be stored while collecting, which tool to use for the data to be like SQL or spreadsheets for less data. Okay, so like what should be the architecture, preparing the architecture, like the prepare phase of the data. Okay, so the next is the process. Okay, the process the data from dirty to clean. So in this phase or in this course, we were taught, I was taught to process the data. So what does actually processing means? So processing means like you have given like a spreadsheet of 1,000 rows or 1,000 columns. You can say data. Okay. So in that by using the spreadsheets, we can find like which which cell is empty or null. Okay, or which value, like in the dollar column there's in the cost or money column there is like a text. Okay, so cleaning them, replacing them. So these are where all the things in the process that data from dirty to clean course. Okay, in the in this step, like SQL cleaning commands were also there. So then the next thing that um, next is the analyze data to answer the questions. Yeah, and then the question mark you can see there. Yeah, that is. So in this is the you can see the main or the big step in the where the main analyzation or what is it about analyzation where the data is analyzed. Okay, so like we sort the data, filter the data. This is the time when the data story or what the data wants to tell is released. Okay, so yeah, we do the text or the math manipulation like shaping the data and finding the value from the data. Okay, so yeah, this is the phase. Then the shared data through the art of visualization. This is the phase where the story or the story that the data told in the analyze phase in this phase is like shown, or you can say like is brought to a picture, like is printed on the text, or you can say in a graph or in a tableau or in spreadsheet, no, or in the graph charts. Okay, so in that we present the data, visualize the data, what the data wants to tell, so it is easy for the stakeholders to get what the data wants to say. Okay, and then the third was like this automating the data analysis thing. Okay, intro to the data analysis using Python. So how we can use Python to write scripts. So from here to here, like we do the manual things we do by own, we do it by own by like clicking and doing all the things. And this is the scripting, this 7 number course. By using Python, we write scripts that do the manual thing on its own. So yeah, so this is the course. So let me show you the proof, the certificates. Okay, I mean, done it. No, I've not done it. Yeah, so this is the course. Okay, so yeah, this was the prepare the data for exploration course. So yeah, this is the prepare the data for exploration. And the next was processing the data for dirty and clean. And the third one, without seeing, I want to tell, and the third one was yes, analyze the data, right? Yeah, analyze the data to answer the questions. And the fifth one, yeah, fifth person. And the next one is sharing the data. After analyzing it, is share the data through the art of visualization. And the next was, yeah, Python scripting. Introduction to the data analysis using Python. So these were yeah, my proof that I have not recorded the whole course in my mind, but yeah, I have done. I have got familiarized with the topics of data analytics. Actually, I'm seeing that when I'm saying in the video, it feels like I'm learning something. Okay, it is. It feels like, and I feel enjoying. Okay, while saying it, I feel like I'm learning also, and my vocabulary is like being good. Though I listen to my own voice and it sound like cringe and crazy and like shit. Okay. So yeah. So these are all the things. So now let's go to our word. So yeah. Before that, I also want to show you the notes that the beautiful notes. Okay, wait. Yeah, this are the notes. These are the notes. So where we were in the ask questions. No, we were in the this. Yeah. This is the data, and I prepare the data for exploration cheat sheet that that I prepared, and it is like a small notes which can be helpful if I read like to refer back when I because see I will be doing the project. Okay, we will talk about the project later, so it will help to me in the project time also. So yeah, the things like the data types. Okay, so the structured data, unstructured data, continuous versus discrete data. Okay, continuous means like the data can be measured infinitely with decimals. Okay, so yeah, these are like temperature, server load, etc. Discrete is counted in whole numbers. Discrete is like perfect data. You can say like whole numbers. Yeah. So the next is Boolean true false. Okay, nominal, the name category, all long and wide data. Okay, so I'm not going to read all those. So this is the bias, ethics, and privacy of data. How to not get sued. What is it pronounced? Sued. Yeah, sued. Like don't do the things, otherwise you will be gone. Okay. Am I fast in speaking? Okay, sorry. I have to control my flow of words. So hashing, blanking, masking for protecting the data from others or the unauthorized members. Consistent consent, transparency. Yeah, this whom to give the authorization and all of the database architecture, plumbing the data, how to like architecture is like which table will connect to which table. Okay, like how you will connect the. Okay, see, when you do the data, when you become a data analysis or even you become a data analytics, there is not like a one spreadsheet, okay? And also there are like data that have, there are millions and billions of data, okay? So you have to find a way to connect the data, okay? So by how we do it? By designing the database architecture, by connecting the tables and all, okay? So I'm not going into technical detail, okay? So this is the next data operations, naming conventions and all. So yeah, this is the prepare the data course notes, and the next is the processing the data from dirty to clean. Yeah, the math of trust. What is the statics and integrity? Okay, margin of error, sample versus population. This is like probability of your data to be perfect, not perfect but good. This is the spreadsheet generator tools. Okay, these are the things that the AI did. Okay, like this writing generator tools and all these. I told it to like make it good notes from a rough, crazy looking, unbroken, unstructured notes. Okay, it was the notes here. So the data mapping, concatenate, chaining the cells together and left and right. So the SQL cleaning commands. SQL full form is what is it? Sequential. Is it sequential query language? Sequential structured query language. Yeah, I know that structured query language. The cost, the train, the destiny. Oh yeah, engineering culture, the version control, Git and GitHub. Actually, and the truth I'm telling, I don't know how to use GitHub, and I will be learning. Inshallah, inshallah, I will be learning how to do it. I have heard many times the name of Git and GitHub. Like it is used to control the like if you have a data, if you edited it and by mistake you have broken the data. Okay. So how you will get back the earlier data by using the version control, okay, by Git and GitHub, okay. All those documentation and chain log, that is what I am doing, documenting my journey of being an explorer with the peer review. Okay. I hope you can see my actions, okay, my body language, and like I've become a professional speaker. Yeah, I feel like that, but also okay. Yeah, now let's focus on the next is the analyzing. Hey, is not the video going to be too long? Okay, so we have to like do it fast. Yeah, analyzing the data, sorting and the filtering the data to find the story. Okay, the find the what the data wants to, the text and the math manipulations, shaping the data, aggregation, summarizing the business, aggregate. Okay, yeah, group by and the count listing and all, advanced SQL, heavy machinery and all. Left join from the left, keep absolutely everything from the first table and only pull the matching data from the second table. Alias using, like as something, like select this as, like select all as like bottle. So all the data that will be selected will be named as bottle. Okay. So it's just like a simple, easy, broken example. Okay. Yeah, that is what. So the next course was sharing the data. How to share, choosing the right chart, line chart, what is it used for, bar chart, the fastest way for the humans to compare. Bar chart is easy for the comparing in histogram or like shape and distribution, scatter plot, pie chart and all. I'm sorry. Data ink ratio, accessibility, yeah, Tableau tactics. This is the Tableau, yeah, for the dashboards and all for live data and the boardroom, storytelling and presentation, like soft skills and all. Okay, so the next is the Python. Python. King Cobra. Yeah, Python, core syntax and data types. Syntax, we all, not we all know, but yeah, I knew it. Strings, integers, and floats called control flow, if else, and loops, and data structures. Oh, sorry, sneezing. Pandas and NumPy, the libraries for data analysis, the data structures. So now before the video gets like to infinity, you have to switch to the MS Word. The heck is that? And oh, MS Word is where the cursors can, yeah, MS Word. So now, yeah, this next is going to be the Capstone Project, a case study, and I'm going to like in these 2 to 4 or 5 courses. Yeah, I did the courses, but I wasn't like learning from my heart and doing all the things. Okay, so in this project, I will be going to give my like give my best. Okay, I will try to do a thing that is good. Okay, so we will talk about this later. But like for Spark, you can like something to say that I'm going to do the project. This is going to be the main thing that I'm aiming for. Okay, so I will do all the work here in this capstone project. Okay, so stay tuned for this. Okay, so yeah, for the university assignment. Sorry, my voice is like I don't speak much, so when I speak, I get sore or something. What is something after every word? So I'll have to correct it. Okay, so for the university assignment, I've completed the DBMS database management system assignment, and the second subject is the data structures assignment. So let me show you the assignments also. Yeah, this is the data structure one. So first I open the, no, but this is the database one. Yeah, this is the set one, the roles of database administrator, DB, and the database users, the importance of key ER modeling. Yeah, this is the, yeah, see, this is also a table, okay? Database. Yeah, I talked about that one, that where how to link the data. So this is actually, you can see a type, okay, wait, let me just explain. This is a member, who member, which member, tell, okay, so this is a book, like this is the, uh, like a library management system. Okay, so let's take in a library, what are the things, are the main things we can see. The number one thing, that is book, that is what is library of. Number second is the publisher of the book, and the members, library members, and the librarian. Okay, so how is the member and the book connected? So the library members borrow books from the member. What is it? The members the members borrow book from the library. Okay, so the book has the, you can say, attributes like the genre, author, book ID, title, and borrows has like issue date, return date, phone number, and name, member ID, name, and all. Okay, so these are the attributes. Okay, so member ID is the primary key. You can say the unique thing that the member, no member will have the same member ID, and no two book will have the same book ID. So this is this is the primary key. Book ID is the primary key of book. Publisher ID is the primary key of the publisher. So this is like a database. You can see a library management system, a diagram. Okay, for that. So how this is the connection, the diamond shape, like the publisher publishes the book. And this is the connection, like member, like you can say, okay, so like librarian maintains the book. Librarian, the one in the library maintains the book. So like the connection is N is, I also wait, I have to explain that. So the book, all the books will be maintained by the librarian, but it is not either way. Sorry, like all the, like one book will have is doesn't have a connection to a library, okay? So, but the library maintains all the books. So this is going to be a tough thing to explain. Okay, so let's move to the next thing and we try. Actually, I'm also confused about this. So this is the explanation of the entities, the books, and number. This is the entities, and this is the attributes, relationships in the diamond shape. Okay, the sequences. So this is the database database management system assignment. So let's go to the next one, data structures assignment. So this is the data structures assignment, the flowchart design, the data structures. When linear data structures algorithm to find and replace a number in the array, the yeah, there is the array, how to stop the process and exit algorithm to multiply three matrices like three are nine, so nine cells, list, dynamic sizing. Actually, I have studied this all in the CS50. Yeah, I also forgot to tell you that I am a CS50 alumni or graduate. So I will be sharing about them in like in the previous videos. Okay, so yeah, this is the things that this is a dive and conquer approach. This is the assignment that I did for the university. Sorry, why my voice is like cracking? Okay, so let's go to the next thing. Oh, I haven't shown you this. So next is the Chinese learning. So actually, I have increased from 15 minutes to 20 minutes listening. I'm listening to a YouTube video where they say like I like a normal conversation, and it is just like sharing genuine feeling. When like even when I understand a small easy word of Chinese by my own. Okay, like I read Puchi means sorry. Okay, Puchi means sorry. So when I heard this in the video in a normal conversation, I was like happy. Okay, so I was like yeah, I have. Even though I didn't understand the 99%, but yeah, that 1% Puchi, and little bit 1-2% that I understand is like it makes me feel good. Okay, so I don't know what will happen. I will learn Chinese or not. So I I'm hands up. Okay, I don't know about the future. Allah knows. I'm just exploring. Okay, so as I'm a moderator also, and I moderated around 5 to 6 hour approx this week because I was kind of uh, demotivated, or you can see a broken heart. What actually happened was that what actually happened was I was And like I was told to be in the meeting, and I was actually having a class, so I then went to the meeting. And also, okay, leave that. That will be something like an excuse to say that someone, uh, like an introvert feeling. You can say that when someone, though they didn't mean to do like though they didn't mean to do that, mean to do that. Like they were telling me to be like a senior moderator will tell you to be like be in this zone or do that little bit makes me feel bad. Okay, but yeah, I know that I'm the problem, that I haven't faced anything like that, so that's why I'm trying to improve myself. And that's why I took a 2 day gap in between so that I can also get back to work. Okay, we'll talk this about it. And also in the Sunday I do the weekly check-in of what I did, and also that's why I just took a two day holiday, which was decided by me only that I will take 2 day holiday between the holiday. Okay, so now let's move to the supports, that is sports section. In the sports section for the calisthenics, I have improved from 3 seconds to 5 seconds. And actually, I tell you that I'm feeling happy now. Now I think that I'm in a different phase, like a different step. Because from 2 days, I What is this? Okay, control. Yeah, from 2 days, I have observed that like earlier when I used to do it, I used to feel pain on my shoulders, and I can't focus on the balancing. I have to focus on like my focus were on like bearing the pain. Okay, but from 2 days, I am feeling that I am able to focus on my posture, like protraction of the shoulders and the hollow body hold. So, and I have increased. And I'm telling you, when I was doing a handstand, like from leaning to a wall, then the balance broke. Okay, so I moved forward, like I was falling forward. Okay, so what I actually did, I was like I moved my hand also in the same direction, like walking. Okay, so what it actually did was it balanced me from falling, and I was in my hands only. Though I fell after like 3 to 4 seconds, but I felt that it is same like walking. Okay, so yeah, it is something joyful that when you there's something joyful uh, when you feel something naturally. Okay, when you feel something like when you feel a new thing, like it was something new to me that I was able to walk on my hands. Okay, so yeah, see now the video is going to be too long, so I have to come on, go give it shorter. So push-ups, pull-ups, and all. Okay, so those are the means like what I am doing also. So football, yeah, pause because my finger is injured. I mistakenly picked a wood in my home, and I have like a scratch, a scar on my leg, so I can't wear the shoes. So I couldn't play football. Actually, it is also an excuse. I could play football barefoot also. But yeah, so martial arts, I'm gonna pause. I'm gonna pause. I'm gonna pause. I'm gonna pause. Okay. So yeah, actually that day I told that I will be doing, but I couldn't do it. I also didn't. I didn't. I can't remember why I couldn't do it. So this is the pause. Here I'm little bit like going down, so I have to correct it. So thank you for listening to me, and Jazakallah khair. Jazakallah khair means thank you. See, the full meaning of Jazakallah khair is like thank you, and Allah will give you the Jazakallah khair. Allah will give you the khair. Khair means the good things again. Okay, may Allah give you good things. So this is the dua. This is also a dua. So whenever we meet, we leave, whenever we do something, we like share dua only. So thank you for everything. Jazakallah khair and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May Allah bring you to the right path and like be happy. Thank you.